In this video, I will show you how to remove watermark on a wallpaper downloaded from TikTok. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So this tutorial is applicable only for Samsung users because we will use the built-in feature of Samsung to remove the watermark. Let's go to TikTok and download for a wallpaper. You can search in TikTok tons of accounts offering free wallpapers. For example, this account in here. Let me download this anime wallpaper. To save the wallpaper, tap on this share button. Select the photo that you like, then tap save. Now let's go back to home screen. Open gallery and open the wallpaper that we've downloaded from TikTok. You can see it has this watermark. To remove it, tap the edit button. Click this 4 dots icon, then click object eraser. Then encircle the watermark. Finally, click erase. That's it. Hit done and save the photo. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.